Hi, my name is Daniel Greversen and I'm the founder of FIGAF, and this week we are hosting the International SAP PI PO Operations Week. And why have a week about this? The reason is I believe SAP PI PO is a super platform that is able to handle the huge volumes of integration and covers a large percentage of the global commerce. There are 10,000 plus customers of the platform. There is 8 more years of support on the platform. And at the moment, cloud integration is not the correct place for some of these organizations. That means that there's still a lot of hours that will be spent on governance, operations, and if we can reduce some of that, that's going to be tens of thousands of hours that can be optimized, making it easier to manage the platform. Why is it that we love PI? And I think this is also why you think it's a good platform. It's a robust platform. It can scale. It is easy to build integration in because you have a simple framework that all integration must follow. You have a lot of reuse options. And then there's a guaranteed job if you learn and master the platform. There's some challenges with the platform. All integration must follow the same pattern, and if not, you have to do a lot of quirky workarounds to make it work, like creating lookups or redirecting through the same message. So this is one of the challenges with it, that in a cloud integration is a lot easier. The governance model that we often see with Excel or Word is not really optimal. Nobody is testing. I know that there are some, but it is not globally that you'll be using because it's difficult. And then it's difficult to really master message mapping. It's easy to learn, but understanding how queues works is complex and something that requires you spend a lot of time learning and master this. Why not talk about cloud integration? So obviously I do like to talk about cloud integration. I have done a number of videos on the topics, presentation, webinars on it. But I also see that it is not right for everybody at the moment. There's B2B scenarios, on-premise access, and 50 other reasons why it is not ready for you at the moment. But that doesn't mean that you cannot optimize the way you're delivering your PI, because that would mean that it could also be easier to migrate the artifacts that make sense for you. So what's currently going on? So there's actually a lot of different projects going on at the moment. There is new integrations or partners that's being delivered. People are upgrading or migrating from something earlier than 7.5 to get into the support. There's patches and upgrades, and I think there was just released a new service pack. There's HANA projects that are going on where you may need to switch systems as a part of the testing, so creating new S4 boxes, etc. that requires you to rewire the integrations. And then there's obviously always migration from other integration platforms to PI that is going on as mergers or whatever is going on. So one of the big aspects of the integration development and cost is the governance, and I'm guessing here that it's in most cases it's probably around 20 to 40% of the staff budget that goes into governance. And governance is all the different tasks we have here, like testing, creating, transport, documenting, approval, importing, applying documentation, updating all of these documentations. What if you could save 50% of that time with automation? That will be 10 to 20% of your integration budget, which would be a good way to be able to do some of the things that you want to do. This can happen using automation, and this is what we'll cover some of the different aspects of in this week. So this week we will cover a lot of these different topics: testing, transport, governance, monitoring, everything that goes into operating a SAP PI PO system. I hope you want to join this. We are hosting a webinar on Thursday. You can go to figaf.com/PI week to sign up for this webinar, and then you'll also get all the cool information about what we are doing with integration and all of these small videos that we'll be sharing along the way. Please also share this with the people you think could be interested in it. Share it on LinkedIn. That would really be nice. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video and want to see more. Thank you.